Валентина Скультэ. Английский для детей. Часть 2. Урок 14.
The 14th lesson. Jimmy the Carrot. The little window is broken to pieces. Continued. Jimmy looks at the boy. The red-headed boy looks at Jimmy. "What is your name, boy?" Jimmy asks. The boy moves his lips, but does not answer. Jimmy gets angry. "Look here, boy. What's your name?" "Do you hear what I say?" he asks again. But the red-headed boy does not answer. He moves his lips. He is angry too. "I know you are afraid of me," the carrot says angrily, and puts out his tongue. The red boy also puts out his tongue. Jimmy shakes his fist at him. The red boy does the same. Then Jimmy gets very angry. He jumps off his chair and runs to the door on tiptoe. He brings the broom. "Now I'll show you how to tease me," he says to himself. "Wait, I'll show you how to put out your tongue at me." The carrot raises the broom, and bang! The little window is broken to pieces. But where is the red boy? Jimmy looks at the wall. There is no window there now. The wall is empty. He looks under the bed. There is nobody there either. Jimmy cannot find the red-headed boy. The boy is gone. Jimmy looks at the floor. Small pieces of broken glass are scattered all over the floor. Jimmy takes the broom and is just going to sweep the floor when suddenly he hears his mother's voice. The carrot quickly pushes the broken glass under the cupboard. Jimmy's mother comes in. "What's up, darling?" she asks. "Nothing, mother," the little boy answers. "Why are you standing at the cupboard?" Mrs. Dale asks in surprise. "I want some bread and butter," Jimmy says. "Why are you holding the broom?" she asks again. "I want to open the cupboard. It's too high for me," the sly boy says. "Oh, you poor darling," Mrs. Dale cries. "You must be very hungry." "I am," the carrot says. Then Mrs. Dale goes to the cupboard, opens it, and cuts off a big piece of brown bread. "Shall I put some jam on it, Jimmy?" she asks her son, buttering the bread. "No, thank you, mother. I don't want any jam," the boy says. "Shall I give you some sweets, Jimmy?" Mrs. Dale asks. "Oh, yes, mother. Please give me some," Jimmy says. He is always very polite when he wants to get some sweets. Mother gives him some sweets. He is very much pleased. He says very politely, "Thank you very much, mother." Jimmy's mother is very pleased too. She thinks that her carrot is better and cleverer than Polly, much better than Sam, and, of course, the best boy in the world.